In this video, I want to show you how to create curvature map from digital elevation model in ArcGIS. So to do that, let's bring in the digital elevation model we will use to create curvature. Click on Add Data. So I want to use this digital elevation model. Click on it and click Add. So this is my digital elevation model, and from this we will create curvature. So to start with, let's go online. If you go online, you can read more about curvature. So essentially, the curvature function displays the shape of slope, and the output of curvature function can be used to describe the physical characteristics of a drainage basin in an effort to understand the erosion and runoff processes. So you can read more about curvature. So let's go back to ArcGIS. So we've brought in the digital elevation model which we want to use to create curvature map in ArcGIS. So come to Arc Toolbox, come to 3D Analyst tool, click here to expand it, then come to Raster Surface, click on it, then come to Curvature. You can see curvature here, double click to open the curvature. Then here, input raster. Here we put in our digital elevation model. Then output curvature raster. Click here to navigate to your folder where you want to save it. So let's call it curvature. Click on save. Now here the Z factor, put 1. Then output profile curvature raster, though is optional, but let's go back online. The profile, if you scroll down on this page, you can see the profile. So the profile curvature is parallel to the slope and indicate the direction of maximum slope. So the profile indicates the direction of maximum slope, while the platform curvature, which is commonly called plan curvature, is perpendicular to the direction of maximum slope. So let's go back to ArcGIS. Here you can choose to create it, or you can choose not to. So the profile, let's click here to save it. So here just put profile, click on save. Then the output plan curvature, here click here and save it as plan, or any name you want to save it with. Click on save. Then finally click on OK. The process is ongoing. Yes, the process is successful. Let's close this page, and here you can see the plan curvature, and if I uncheck it, here you can see the profile curvature, and here is the real curvature. So this is how to create curvature from digital elevation model in ArcGIS, and here you can choose to change the color to any color of your choice. Thank you for watching.